Going to love 2016 CLS-Class. Simple infatuation quickly becomes an unwavering devotion. Comes with abundant power with quick steering that offers great feedback and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, four-wheel disc brakes, navigation system, leather upholstery, low tire pressure warning, tachometer, driver vanity mirror, bucket seats. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.